Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Canva Magic Studio, quick tip step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to Canva's website or open the Canva app. Log into your Canva account or create a new one if you haven't yet. Once you're on the home page, locate the Magic Studio feature in the menu. Click on Magic Studio to enter the editing interface. You will see a variety of design templates and tools available for your project. Choose a template that suits your needs or start from scratch. If you select a template, click on it to open it in the editor. On the left side, you will find options to add elements like text, images, and graphics. Simply drag and drop any element you want to include in your design. To customize your text, click on the text box and type your content. You can change the font style, size, and color using the options in the top menu. For images, click on Photos in the left menu to browse Canva's image library. You can upload your own images as well by clicking on the Uploads tab. Once you've added images, resize and position them to fit your design. If you want to use the Magic Resize feature, select your design and choose the new dimensions. Canva will automatically adjust your layout for the selected size. To apply effects or filters, select the image and click on the Effects option in the top menu. After completing your design, click the Download button in the upper right corner. Select your preferred file format and click Download to save your project. Your design is now ready for sharing or printing. Explore other features in Magic Studio to enhance your creative process. Experiment with different designs to discover what works best for you. Using Canva Magic Studio is an intuitive way to create professional quality graphics quickly. Happy designing! If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.